Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Google Sheets. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting key differences and similarities. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the best tool for your specific needs. Whether you prioritize advanced features or seamless collaboration, this comparison will provide valuable insights. Let's dive into the details and see how these two popular spreadsheet applications stack up against each other. When it comes to features, Excel often takes the lead with its vast array of advanced functions, including powerful pivot tables and complex macros. It's designed for heavy-duty data manipulation and analysis, capable of processing millions of rows of data. Google Sheets, while also robust, focuses on accessibility and real-time collaboration. It offers a strong set of essential functions and excellent integration with the Google ecosystem, making it ideal for shared projects. Collaboration is where Google Sheets truly shines. Multiple users can edit the same spreadsheet simultaneously, seeing changes in real time, which is incredibly efficient for team projects. Excel's collaboration has evolved, especially with its online version, but the desktop application still offers the most comprehensive features. Google Sheets' cloud-native design means you can access your files from anywhere, on any device, with just an internet connection, offering unparalleled flexibility. Regarding cost, Google Sheets is free for personal use with a Google account, making it highly accessible. Excel, on the other hand, is typically part of a Microsoft 365 subscription or a one-time purchase. For complex financial modeling, advanced statistical analysis, or working with extremely large datasets, Excel remains the industry standard. However, for seamless team collaboration, quick data sharing, and web-based projects, Google Sheets is often the more practical and cost-effective choice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.